In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit unit costs in Stack. Whether you're managing a budget for a project or simply trying to keep track of expenses, understanding how to modify these costs is crucial. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to get you started. First, begin by navigating to the Stack login page. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the Stack URL. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in with Google. This method provides a convenient way to access your account without having to remember yet another password. Just click on the Login with Google button and select the Google account associated with your Stack profile. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here you should see a list of various projects that you have created or have access to. Take a moment to scan through these projects and find the one you're interested in editing. Click on your project to open it. After you're inside your project, look for the Estimates section on the main menu. Clicking on Estimates will bring up a page where you can manage and create new estimates. It's important to keep your estimates organized, as this will make it easier to modify unit costs. Next, you need to click on the New Estimate button. This will allow you to start working on a fresh estimate form if required, but if you're editing an existing one, proceed to locate it. For more detailed changes, you'll want to switch over to the Worksheet view. The Worksheet view is particularly useful because it offers a detailed breakdown of your estimates, allowing you to edit specific quantities and rates directly. Now with the Worksheet view open, you're ready to make your edits. Here you can adjust several variables, starting with the purchase quantity. Simply click on the field and enter the new quantity amount. This can help you adjust for changes in how much material or products you are planning to purchase. Similar to the purchase quantity, the rate field is next in line for editing. Updating this field reflects any change in the cost per unit of measure. Just like before, click the field, introduce your new rate, and update. Finally, the unit cost itself can be altered. The unit cost is a crucial element since it affects overall project expenses. Ensure that any changes here are double-checked for accuracy. If at any point you need to export your estimate, you can do so by clicking on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, you can select Export and choose the XLS format. This option allows you to open and manipulate the data further in Excel, providing greater flexibility in your project management. With that, you've learned how to efficiently edit unit costs in Stack. This skill can help you keep your projects financially organized and more effectively